Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'll guide you through using the Duolingo app for effective language learning. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, Duolingo offers a fun and interactive way to learn a new language. Download and install Duolingo. Search for Duolingo in your device's App Store and install it. Open the app and sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Choose your language. After signing up, select the language you want to learn from the available options. Set up your goals. Set daily learning goals by choosing how many minutes you want to spend each day. Duolingo will remind you to practice. Start learning. Begin your first lesson. Duolingo uses a combination of text, audio, and images to help you learn vocabulary and grammar. Follow the prompts, complete exercises, and earn points to track your progress. Explore additional features. Check out the stories and podcast sections for more immersive language practice. Join language clubs to connect with other learners and participate in challenges. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to use Duolingo, you're ready to dive into language learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more tech tutorials and tips. Check my links below.